The number of confirmed pertussis cases in Missoula County jumped to 24 today. The majority reported in public schools. The superintendent says students have tested positive for whooping cough at 5 schools across the district. Each of those schools now identifying all close contacts to determine any immediate action needed to get other students medical care. Now, it should be noted students who have been vaccinated may still be considered contacts because the vaccine is not 100% effective. Now, more cases of whooping cough have also been confirmed south of Missoula in Lolo and Florence.